Attach the luminaire to the ceiling using the fittings provided with Trent III. Clip the LED tray to the fitting. Wire the fitting into the terminal on the LED tray. Close the fitting and secure with the outside clips. Make sure you attach the other clips provided. Connect the battery inside the emergency module. Bend the clips at a 90-degree angle. Fit the module to the base of the fitting. Fit the LED indicator to the base. Connect the module to the LED indicator. Secure the emergency test button to the base. Bend the clips at a 90-degree angle. Then remove the hood covering the sensor section. Push the sensor inside the Trent III and secure with the clips. Connect the labeled cables together.